welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be bringing you guys another travel vlog. So today we are in Gangneung, which is more towards the like northeast side of Korea. It's on the coast and there are some beautiful beaches here. I'm back with Sharon. Hi! And neither of us have ever been here, so we are super excited. Forecast looks perfect for the next couple of days. It is about 11 o'clock and the first place we are headed to is the cafe street here. We kind of have our own little travel routine now. The first thing we do is we drop our bags off at the hotel and then we find like the most hip cafe area and we go get some coffee because we took an early flight. We got on the airplane this morning at like 8 a.m. We had to be at the airport early, so we could use some coffee right now. So that is our first destination. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you want to see more travel vlogs, and I will see you guys at the cafe. This view, 100% love it. Look at this.
So beautiful.
So beautiful. Oh my gosh. And this whole area has so many cafes, like all over there, and then like look at the view. Excuse me. And we also got Americanos and cheesecake. We're also gonna eat like a proper lunch later, but this is just something to nibble on. Guys, it is incredibly windy today and we both made the stupid dumb mistake of wearing skirts and dresses. So I've given Sharon my shawl that she's literally just gonna wrap around for the rest of the day. Okay, so we had a great time at the cafe and then we did a little stroll on the beach. We are super hungry though because we did not eat today besides that cheesecake. So we are going to go eat some noodles, I think, at a restaurant just a little ways away, like 10-minute drive from the beach. I'm really, really hungry, so I'll show you guys when I end up getting. Okay, so we're at a market now and we found the craziest but cutest pajama rack. Like they have so many. They have like winter pajamas, Mickey pajamas. Right? Yeah, those are cute and they're like light. Oh, there's a balcony. So cute. Pretty. Unfortunately, guys, this hotel was super booked and I couldn't get the ocean view like Yasu. But we still have a really pretty view of the mountains and all of the really colorful rooftops. Never realized how colorful rooftops could be. Alright guys, so it is 3 o'clock now and we are going to head down and have a little bit of pool time before we head back out and do some more fun activities. I just wanted to give you guys my little midday first impression of Gangneung. It is, did I say that right by the way? Gangneung? Yeah. I have a hard time, you guys, pronouncing this place. It is absolutely beautiful. Like, I don't even think that's properly putting it. Stunning, might I say. I just love how, like, when you're driving on the road, for a lot of the time you can literally just see the ocean right there, and there's so many different beaches. Obviously we did visit a beach earlier today, and then this evening I think we'll probably try and go to another beach, and we'll go to another beach tomorrow. So we are having a great time thus far. So we just made it to, I think, one of the prettiest sunsets of my life. What's funny is the sun is not setting on this side. I'm gonna take my mask off. The sun is not setting on this side, so you can't see the sun. But y'all, look at these colors. I mean, it's changing honestly by the minute. When we got here, there was more like yellows and purples and pinks. Luckily the camera is picking it up though, but oh my gosh. So beautiful. And then there's a bridge over here, and then all along here are a ton of cafes and seafood restaurants, and everyone's getting their Instagram on right now. Oh, beautiful. So for dinner, we're eating komak bibimbap.
I don't know how to say it. It's like little octopus baby.
Okay.
And mixed with some rice and sauce.
Right, and then we got all the side dishes, the crab, the gim, tofu, eggs, seaweed soup. So we just finished our dinner. It was really good, and we're kind of just waiting by this park now for our taxi. We are heading back to our hotel now. We're gonna kind of have like an early night for us. It's like, what, 10 now? Just because we want to have a ton of energy for tomorrow because we have some really fun things planned. All right, hi guys. So we are back at the hotel. And Sharon already showered, so now it is my turn. I'm gonna take off my makeup and take a good old shower. It feels so good after being outside all day to take a shower. Does anybody else love that feeling? Before I do, I kind of wanted to show you guys what I bring in, like my travel makeup bag. These are pretty much my essentials that I bring for 1 or more nights away. So I'm just gonna quickly show you that. Just deodorant. You guys know I love my native deodorants. I have my perfume. This is my little jewelry box that I just keep like a couple little pieces in. I have some hair oil. I always like to bring extra sunscreen because in case I lose the main one I use for my beauty box, it's just good to have a backup because I never want to be without it. I have my little hair band puller backer thing. Got my razor, bobby pins, hand sanitizer, which should have been in my purse all day, but I forgot to put it in there. And then I just have my 3 main face products, which are all a part of my beauty box. And I've gotten some questions about whether my beauty box is still available, and it is still online. You can still order it. I want to thank you guys so much to anybody that has ordered it. The support means the world. I actually wanted to show you guys, I'm literally completely out almost of this, so when I go to Seoul tomorrow, I'm gonna run by the office and pick up some more. But yeah, you can still get my beauty box online, and I'm really excited because I am starting to curate another box of completely different products, because this is like literally my perfect skincare routine. So I don't want to come out with like promoting, you know, other products like the exact same as this. So instead, I am coming out with a box probably in like a couple months of just different kinds of products. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my makeup and then shower, and then after I shower I'll do my skincare routine. But just as like a, I guess, first day thoughts of Gangneung, I love it here. It is so beautiful, and I feel like it's not like as small as I thought it would be. I thought it would be like a very, very, very small city type of place, but it's actually like, I mean, there's no high rises or anything here except for like a couple, but there are a lot of cafes and restaurants and, you know, beautiful beaches, and the people here are so incredibly nice. Like, we had some amazing conversations with a couple different taxi drivers, and everyone has just been really, really accommodating, which I personally love. Today was obviously a super just kind of like chill day. We went to a cafe and a couple beaches, and we went to dinner, obviously, but tomorrow we are really pumped because we have some really fun things planned. I think we're gonna wear some hanboks and go to a traditional village, which is like something I love doing, and we might ride some bikes, and there's also a really cute cafe that we've been eyeing that we might also go to. So with that being said, I think I'm going to close this vlog off here, and then tomorrow morning I'm just gonna start an entire new vlog for day 2 here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you thought of it. Have you ever been here, or have you ever been somewhere that gave you similar vibes to this place? Let me know. Also, if there's anywhere else in Korea that you want to see me travel to this summer or in the fall, definitely let me know in the comments, because I am planning my trips ahead of time. So it would be really nice to know where you guys want me to go next. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. Thank you again for all of your support and your love. It means the world to me. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye guys.